Are your website visitors scrolling past valuable content without truly engaging? Do you struggle to keep your audience attentive for longer periods on your site? In today's fast-paced world, many prefer listening to information over reading it. Traditional text alone can limit your content's reach and overall accessibility. Introducing VoicePress AI, the ultimate text-to-speech plugin for WordPress. VoicePress AI instantly transforms your written content into natural-sounding audio. Effortlessly captivate your audience and make your website truly inclusive. Harness the power of leading AI engines, including Google WaveNet, Amazon Poly, and 11 Labs. Experience incredibly lifelike and natural voices that bring your content vividly to life. With support for over 140 languages and dialects, VoicePress AI connects you with a global audience. It automatically generates high-quality audio for all your posts and pages with seamless integration. The customizable audio player can be perfectly tailored to your brand's aesthetics and user experience. Choose its position, from a fixed embed to a floating player, and match your site's unique color scheme. Fine-tune pronunciations, pauses, and emphasis using advanced SSML tags for perfect delivery. Save significant time with bulk generation, converting multiple articles to audio in one efficient go. VoicePress AI features a smart caching system, minimizing API calls and significantly reducing your costs. It's designed for easy setup and intuitive management, requiring absolutely no technical expertise. Enhance your SEO by improving user engagement, time spent on page, and overall accessibility. Empower your website with an engaging and modern audio experience that your visitors will love. Increase accessibility for visually impaired users and those who prefer to consume content on the move. Give your audience the freedom to engage with your valuable content their preferred way. Ready to unlock the full potential of your WordPress content and stand out? Get VoicePress AI today and let your words resonate like never before. Find the link to VoicePress AI conveniently placed in the description below.